This is the second part of the test. This is questions 6 through 9. We did parallelograms and triangles. Now we're on to trapezoids. I'm going to give you the area, the formula for the area of a trapezoid. It's area equals height times base 1 plus base 2, and divide that by 2. All right, go ahead and pause the video, solve it, and then restart and see how you did. All right, now that you've had a chance to try this one, I'm gonna fill in the numbers. The height is 12. 12 times base 1 is 29. Base 2 is 20. So I add those two together, divided by 2. So I'm gonna do the parentheses first. 29 plus 20 is 49. And that's gonna be times 12, and then divided by 2. So 12 times 49 equals 588. Divided by 2, do that. I get 294. It's millimeters, and it's squared. So let's see if one of these. H is the correct answer. So hopefully you did all right on that one, and let's go to the next. All right, we have a grid here, or we have a coordinates, and we need to find some things. Each grid square has a length of 5 yards. How much wire is needed? Now, I'm gonna make a little graph for myself. Maybe you can get a piece of paper and do it for yourself. Go ahead and try this one. Each grid has a length of 5 yards. How much wire is needed for the fence? So we're talking about perimeter here, not area. How much is needed around each square is worth 5. So go ahead and try this one. Pause the video, and then come back when you're done. Okay, the way I'm gonna do this one is I'm gonna start by creating a little graph for myself. I'm gonna try and do a 9 by 9 because I see 9 here, 9 and 7, but I'm gonna do a 9 by 9 just so I have enough. And it's not exactly, but this is 0. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess I did 10 there. That's okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Might as well do it 10 by 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then I'll erase some of this because we don't need that. Okay, and let's see. Good enough. Okay, now let's go back to putting things on the grid. I'm going to do it on red. A is 1 and 1. So I go over to 1 and up to 1. So there's A. And then B is 1 and then up 9. All the way up here. C is 7, over to 7, up 9. 7, up 9 right there. And then D is 7 and 1. Go over to 7, up 1. Okay, now I'm going to draw a little line here, connect the dots. I want the perimeter, and each square is worth 5. So, but first of all, I'm going to get the perimeter. So from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So if we do that, 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 is 28. 28. But each one is worth 5, so I got to times that by 5. So 28 times 5 gives me 140 yards. And let's see if they have it. 140 C. Hopefully you got that. You may have gotten just 28, just counting the outside. But remember that each one is 5 yards, so you had to multiply it by 5. Okay? Let's go on to the next couple. Here's the second part of the test. Questions. Oh, wait a minute. For exercises 8 and 9, refer to the figure at the right that shows the dimension of Gabby's attic floor. So we need to find the perimeter and the area. Go ahead and do that. It's a composite figure, so just go ahead and try it in terms of the area. The perimeter, you have to do a little figuring there too. So give it a try, pause the video, come back, and if you got it, great. If not, you'll learn from me. Okay, now that you're back, we'll do the perimeter in red. So I know I need this length right here, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this. So this right here is 24. This right here is 12. This right here is 41. This is 29. We're missing this one right here and this one right here. Now, if this is 29 and this is 12, I'm going to take 12 away from 29, and I'll see what I get. 17. So this is going to be 17 feet. 17 here plus 12 here is the same as this 29. Okay, so I have to add 17 also. Now I need from here to here. Well, I know from here to here is 41, and this is 24. So I take 41, take away the 24, and it leaves me with 17 right here. So 17 plus 24 gives me this length of 41. So I have to add another 17. Okay, I'm going to add all these together. 24 plus 12 plus 41 plus 29 plus 17 plus 17. And that gets me 140 feet, which is the perimeter. It's not squared because it's just perimeter. Now, I am going to erase some things because we want to get the area now. I wish I could make this bigger. Oh. Okay. Now the area is the inside. We're not talking about the outside anymore. But this is a composite figure. It's two figures that we have to figure out the area. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. I'm going to try it this way. I'm going to go here to here. Now I do remember this is 17 and this is 17. So for this one, it's base times height. So base times height. 29 times 17 equals 493 feet squared. Now I just have to do this by this. And it's a 12 by 24. 12 times 24, that's 288 feet squared. So if we have 493 and 288, we add those together, 492 equals 780, and it's feet. And because it is the area, now we have 780 feet squared. And that's how you find the perimeter of this shape and then the area. You could have also gone like this too and done this shape and this shape. Could have worked. All right. There will be one more part, which is questions 10 through 15.